lot of people only notice the charts after the move, but RHINO versus WPLS has been trending since early February. It is still holding strong now, and we are currently on the 29th of April. Today, we are going to do a deep dive into the RHINO/WPLS chart. We will look at the trend since February 2nd, how close the price is to all-time highs, why strength versus WPLS matters, their current market cap. So without further ado, I bring you the uptrend. If you zoom out, you're able to see that since the 2nd of February, right in the middle of the chart, RHINO has been on a clear uptrend ever since. This means higher lows, higher highs, and consistent structure building over time. This wasn't just a random spike. This has been a steady climb over the past couple of months. It's important because real trends usually build over time. They don't just appear in one day. If you look at any of the biggest crypto projects ever, you will see that if you go back to the very beginning, it was a slow climb throughout the years to get to where they are now. And this just shows you that there are underdogs that not too many people know about, which they really need to know. RHINO has a small community and is still able to drive this price way up. So if I take it back to the all-time chart, all-time highs sit around 54.42 WPLS. We are currently sat at around 47 WPLS. So this price is actually relevantly close to the previous all-time high. When something trends up for months and still holds near highs, that doesn't just show that we had price movement, it shows resilience in the project, and it means that the buyers have not disappeared, which on Pulse Chain everybody seems to think they have. So you might be asking, why am I showing you this chart? Why am I not showing you RHINO versus ProveX and so on? Well, this chart is priced against WPLS. So this isn't just RHINO going up, RHINO outperforming Pulse itself. This matters because if RHINO rises against WPLS, still gaining relative strength in the ecosystem. Strong assets often show strength against the base asset itself before wider attention arrives. This also kind of shows you that if you join the RHINO community, even if Pulse is going down, RHINO is still going up. Now, as you can see on the right hand side of the screen, I have something highlighted here. Well, what is it? Market cap. The current market cap is currently sat at around $244,000. This keeps RHINO still in an early stage project range. So when people look at the chart and the market cap together, they are looking at existing momentum, relative strength, and still small valuation. RHINO is an extremely undervalued project. RHINO still isn't a year old and it's doing some crazy things that I personally rarely see when it comes to a new project. So what should we keep an eye on next? Well, going forward, I would tell you to watch whether that 47 WPLS holds strong, any reset of the all-time highs, continued higher lows, and increased attention if the highs break. Because charts near highs always tend to get noticed. So if we pile everything into one big ball, a lot of people wait for confirmation before a big breakout. Months of trend strength often happen before that moment. And that is what makes this chart very interesting. So RHINO versus WPLS has been climbing since February, still near highs, still holding structure. Now it's about what happens next.